Hi, welcome to MooMooMath. Today we're going to talk about what is absolute value. Well, first of all, you've got to be able to recognize it. And absolute value falls between two vertical lines, and there will be a value inside that. So it's kind of like a jailbird. That's a good way to think about it. Okay, here is our first example. -5. What's the absolute value of -5? +5. What's the absolute value of +4? +4. And what's the absolute value of negative 10? And the answer to that one is -10. Okay, well, those are the three examples. Now let's go back and look at the rules, and then we'll come back and revisit these in slow-mo. Okay, what are the rules? Well, absolute value is actually a definition. It's the distance that number is from 0, and it's always positive. Think about a runner. I'm a runner, and you could never tell me I ran a negative distance. It's always positive. So let's go back and look at our three examples. So our first example is -5. We're taking the absolute value of -5, and if it helps you to draw a number line, just draw yourself a number line. Here is 0 and here is -5. How far is it from 0? It's 5 units away, so it's just a +5. 4 is 4 units from 0, therefore the absolute value is 4. Now this last one's a little bit tricky because we have a negative outside of the absolute value. So what's the absolute value of -10? The absolute value of -10 is +10, but then this negative on the outside makes the answer negative. So the answer for this one is -10. So don't be tricked by these negatives on the outside. If you have a negative on the outside, the answer will definitely be negative, even if it's positive on the inside or negative on the inside. Okay? Hope this was helpful.